All right, here we have this problem where we have a universal set U, and that's going to be all x that are elements of the integers, such that they're between 0 and 9. 0 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 9. All right, so basically that's just going to be the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And now we're asked to find a minus b. So a minus b, that's going to be equal to the set of all x such that x is an element of a, and this is the key, x is not an element of b. So basically we're going to start with a and take everything that is also in b out. So if we look at a is the set that has